Hi everyone, welcome to challenge number 9. Here is the question. Find the sum of below infinite series 2 by 8 plus 6 by 8 square plus 10 by 8 cube plus 14 by 8 power 4 plus so on up to plus infinity. Let us assume y is equal to 1 by 8 so that the equation looks simple. S is equal to 2y plus 6y square plus 10y cube plus 14y power 4 plus so on. Let us multiply the above equation with y on both the sides. S into y is equal to 2y square plus 6y cube plus 10y power 4 plus so on. Now let us subtract s into y from s. So s minus s into y is equal to 2y plus 6y square minus 2y square plus 10y cube minus 6y cube plus so on. So the left hand side s minus s into y will become 2y plus 4y square plus 4y cube plus 4y power 4 plus so on. So the left hand side can be written as s into 1 minus y, and the right hand side 2y plus 4y square into 1 plus y square plus so on up to infinity. Did you observe that this is a geometric progression? So the sum of infinite geometric progression series 1 plus y square plus so on is equal to 1 by 1 minus y. Here y is equal to 1 by 8, so this results 8 by 7. Substituting this value as well as y back into the equation, we will get s into 7 by 8 is equal to 2 by 8 plus 4 by 64 into 8 by 7, which means s is equal to 18 by 49.